Arrive in style with this 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche Lieutenant. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include bucket seats, rear defrost, CD player, navigation from telematics, power steering, auxiliary audio input, and fog lamps. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.